Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Fortuna Tarot deck. This is the Opal edition. There's also the Amethyst Aura edition as well as an Emerald one. So we'll take a look at the Amethyst one in a separate video, but today we're looking at the limited edition Opal one. This is by Studio Artemy. Thank you so much to Studio Artemy for sending this and the other decks my way. I am so grateful, so excited because these look beautiful. This retails for $67. It is an independent deck, and as always in the description box below I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there in the description box, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. Alrighty, let's get into this. The Fortuna deck is a 79 card deck designed to help you unlock your potential and turn your purpose into gold. Combining ancient alchemical principles, tarot, numerology, and astrology, you will embark on a new journey within toward clarity and enlightenment, opening the gates of the occult and spirituality. Created by Maria J. Fajardo, Praena. Hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. I do apologize if I am not. All right, let's get into it. Look at this packaging. It is gorgeous. So, Fata via invenient. Fate will find a way. Opal Omen. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh. So it has a guidebook in here. Oh, cute. Open the gates of occult knowledge. Oh, I love me some hollow. All right. So let's take a look real fast at the guidebook. Ooh, she's pretty thick. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's so much information here. Oh yeah, and we do have a table of contents. So we have the prologue, we have information on tarot, astrology, and numerology, spiritual alchemy, fate, destiny, 36 deacons, and then it goes into each of the cards, and then we have some spreads. Wow. I love this. There's so much in here. All right, let's just take a peek at the spreads in the back. We have Purifying the Soul, Finding Clarity Within by Anthony Perrotta, Turning into Gold, Alchemizing Your Reality by Josh Van Bush, and then Acknowledgements. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I am excited. Wow, we've got a matte. It's like a, I'm going to call it a coral edging there. And here's the back. Look at that. I'm a sucker for any kind of hollow or foiling. I just love it. And let's talk cardstock. Ooh, okay. I like it. It is flexible, but it's still sturdy. Like it snaps back really nice. I have a feeling it's going to be very nice to shuffle with. And look at all the hollow. So I am excited. This looks like it's going to be kind of minimalistic. And I'm hoping that you guys can see all of the detail because of the foiling. So the Seeker is the full. It's just so pretty. Like a bow and arrow situation going on. The astrological signs. Wow. I love this. Okay, this is a Instagrammable deck for sure. Look at how pretty that foiling is. I'm going to say that throughout this whole thing. We have Empress. Number and title on the bottom. How fun. Okay, the Oracle instead of the Hierophant. Ooh. I'm excited to get into the guidebook with this. I think there's going to be a lot of really awesome information. Fortuna instead of Wheel of Fortune. I like that. I'm moving them around a lot so you can see the foiling, and hopefully the camera will pick it up. So if you find that troubling, I do apologize, but I want to make sure you can see the whole image. The Hanged One instead of the Hanged Man. Oh, that's really cool. I like that version of Death. Okay, Alchemy instead of Temperance. This already is a fantastic example of how you can be very minimalistic but still get the energy of the cards across. Ooh. Oh, look at the sun. Wow. Universe instead of world. Love it. And the extra card, it looks like, is the magnum opus. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Excited now. So candles, it looks like, instead of wands. Looks like a match. I love that idea. Numbers up top this time. This is an interesting idea to have them as candelabras. I can definitely see what they're doing with the way the fire is. This might be a little bit harder to learn on if you are a beginner. However, I do have a feeling that the guidebook is going to be very good to explain what's going on, because it looks like there's a lot of information in here. Princess instead of page, prince instead of knight. I like that they're in a lantern. That's a cool distinguished symbolism. Hanging lantern. That's pretty cool. I should say chandelier instead of a hanging lantern. All right, so elixirs instead of cups. Oh, that rainbow effect. It just, oh, love it. This has a more Tarot de Marseille vibe to it, which is not a negative at all. It's just a different way of utilizing numerology and tarot. Like I said before, it might be a little bit harder for those just starting out, but I don't see an issue with learning on it. Okay, keys instead of swords. That's interesting. Oh, I like that. Cute. I really like the idea of locks. Oh, how fun. And talismans instead of pentacles. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Like a necklace. Very cool. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, it's very sturdy. I do not have an issue with how it shuffles this way at all. It's still doing its thing. Yeah, it feels really nice. Let's see this way. Yeah. All right. Can I get a card to read, please? Alrighty, we're gonna read for the Fool. But yeah, oh, it feels good. Okay, I really, really love the style of this. This is so pretty. Alrighty, let's go to the guidebook. An arrow can only be shot by pulling backward. It is not the destination, but the journey that shapes us. Oh yeah, look at that. Arrow and a bow. Okay, so we got some keywords. Beginnings, optimism, carelessness, and rebellion. Astrological influence, Uranus, or Uranus, however you guys like to pronounce it. The Seeker, traditionally known as the Fool, is the first card of the Major Arcana and can be either placed at the beginning or end of the suit of majors. This card was renamed to represent the querent in a reading, as the word querent means one who seeks. It is our inner curiosity that pushes us to embark on a new journey, seeking to find our truth. Sometimes, to find the answers we seek, we must wander, as exploration is part of the process of self-discovery. What is important about the journey is the lessons we learn through it, rather than racing to the end destination. The planet Uranus is directly connected with innovation and discovery, and it is the ruler of the 11th house in astrology, which represents one's hopes and dreams. Then we have reverse meaning here. The fear of the unknown kills the spark of joy that invites us to explore new realms. We then become careless and lose the purpose for what we do. Do not allow your fears to speak louder than your dreams. Oh, and then they all have a little quote that goes along with it, except for the the minors, which has a lot of information in here as well. So it's not just a little tiny thing. That's awesome. And then it does have a little blurb about the suits as well. So lots of great information in here. I mean, I shouldn't say I'm surprised. I never know what to expect anymore with any deck. I kind of go in blindly. So I am excited that this had a lot of information in it. So if you are a beginner and you want a more substantial or beautiful deck, you want to treat yourself to something a little bit more not on the mass market, this is a beautiful version. Something very different, beautifully done. I think it's well thought out. I think the guidebook will definitely be a help to you if you are still learning, having a problem with learning, or stuck. There's a lot in here that will help you on your way. So like I said, it might be intimidating at first, but it's definitely a deck that I think you can learn on. I do like the fact that it's essentially symbols instead of people. I think that's a nice difference. I think the quality is great. I don't really have anything negative to say about it, other than the fact that I have a hard time filming the foiling, but that is not the deck's fault. I think it's beautifully done. So thank you so much to Studio Artemy for sending this deck my way. I am so excited to get more familiar with it. It is beautiful. It is definitely, like I said, an Instagrammable deck. I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are on this deck. Is it something that's been on your radar? Is this completely new to you? Are you not liking the foiling, not liking the design? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I enjoy hearing your guys' opinions. Again, everybody's preferences are different. That's why I really enjoy doing these videos. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Alrighty, have a great one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.